What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard, and behind me here we have this old Hyundai loader. You might remember last year I made a video that was us dragging this loader from our salt bin lot over there all the way around to here and then pushing it into that spot, and that's where it's sat ever since. This machine does not run. Obviously it is super old and falling apart. The brakes are locked up, it won't turn on at all, so it is pretty much junk. It would cost too much money to fix it, and it's obviously all rotted and everything, falling apart, so it's not worth putting any money into at all. We have a scrap metal guy coming today, which he should be here any minute, and he says he has a winch and he'll be able to pull it onto whatever trailer he's bringing, but I'm not sure if his winch is going to be strong enough. We have a couple loaders here. If we have to help him, we'll push it, pull it, whatever we have to do, but we are getting this machine on his trailer today. It is pretty much a big paperweight right now, and we need it out of here. So as soon as this guy shows up, I will pick this video back up, and hopefully we don't run into any issues, and this machine is leaving here today. All right, guys, so quick change of plans. The guy is not coming today. We called them to find out where they were because he's about an hour late, and he said that they had to run somewhere else for an emergency and they're not going to make it today, and they forgot to call us. So sucks, but Friday this will be happening. So we're leaving this loader here. Rodrigo's pulling out right now. I'm about to hop in my truck and follow him down to our main shop. The starter for that F350 should be there, so we're going to leave the mason dump down there, grab that starter, and head up to our Dutchess yard and change that, plus get all the trucks that are there ready to head on down to our main shop. All right, guys, so this is the truck that we need the starter for. You might have saw me here the other day getting the manufacturer date off of it. We have our new starter right here. The starter on these is actually tucked. I don't know if you'll be able to see it up in there, but it's right behind this piece of the frame here. I don't know if you can or can't see it from there. So Rodrigo's going to work on this. I need to run down here and find this plow. Let's go see. I believe it is this one all the way back here. We got a ton of stuff all over the place here, but I believe, yep, this is the plow I need. So I'm gonna grab our tool cat and come down here, right? This corner bent. Yep. You can probably see, looking down at this corner here of this plow, pretty much. Oh, you can definitely see it here. To right here, goes straight and then it bends back. So this corner is all bent. I believe the rest of it is pretty straight. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can really see it down there now. So I'm gonna try and take this old cutting edge off of it. right, so these two, well, this one spun off a little bit and then it stopped spinning, so the bolt might be a little screwed up there and it's just locking it on. This one didn't move at all. These two snapped. This one might have snapped. Oh no, this one came off clean, so that bolt will come out. This one, I already pulled the bolt out, and the rest of these are not coming off at all. So we pretty much have two options here. We could either leave it on and let the guy who's going to straighten it take care of it. He can torch them off and throw this blade away because this blade is trash. We're going to end up putting a new one on here. Or we can not do this right now and wait till we can torch these off ourselves and bring him the plow with no cutting edge on it. But I don't think that is the right idea. So I'm gonna wait and see what my father says when he calls me back, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. All right. Yeah. We'll just get it on my truck and I'll give it to him and we'll have him tweak it.
All right, I'll load it and get it strapped down.
All right. Good deal. All right. Thanks, man.
All right, bye. All right, so you guys heard it. We're gonna leave it, let him deal with it. So let me put my tools away and then we'll load it on this truck. Moving on, let's hop in this Kubota here. We have this leaf blower, the Cyclone 8000 on here, and we're gonna blow all the leaves off the driver real quick and stop and check on Rodrigo, make sure he's doing all right. Rodrigo, how you making out? What? Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, this looks like the new one in the box still.
Yeah, it's new. The top bolt, I can take it out. They have 3 bolts and the start, I take it out the 2.
What were you, taking a nap under there?
Alright?
Take a siesta under there?
Yeah.
That's all you did this whole time?
Yeah.
Like you even got a little bed, a foam bed.
Yeah.
So can you get it or you can't even get it?
I can break this fucking start. Why not?
The starter or the stud?
No, the start.
Well, what do you want to break? The little thing that goes around where the bolt is?
No, the one bolt is always the top, and I try to put the socket.
Yeah, and the socket doesn't fit.
It's touching the top, it's touching the side.
Now I want to show the people the starter. Let me see. Alright, let's see if we can get this to... Can you see it on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that showing the starter? You see it? So, let me get that. So that upper bolt, which is it would be this one. The only way to get it is to reach over. This is like that. To reach over, put the socket on, and then add either your extensions or your ratchet or whatever, but it's also hitting right here on whatever it's hitting on. And every time you try and put your ratchet on, it... All right, guys, my phone died when my camera died when I was in there recording that, but basically what's happening is every time you put the ratchet on, it hits on something and it pops the socket right off the bolt. So it is very difficult to get that top bolt off. We have been going at it for about an hour, probably a little bit more, and we can't seem to get it. Rodrigo is hanging out here. He's trying to get that off. He's gonna call me and let me know, but right now I'm running to Hudson River Truck and Trailer and dropping this off. We're about 3 days late on dropping it off. They've been waiting for... All right, guys, I just pulled up to my house. I got the plow hitch all dropped off to Hudson River Truck and Trailer. They are gonna install that on that truck for us. My camera kept dying. You probably noticed that because it's just random cuts right there. But either way, I haven't heard from Rodrigo yet, so that's probably a good thing, hopefully. I don't know, but that might mean that he got that starter off. Either way, I'm sure I will hear from him shortly. But that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.